How to convert table to text in Microsoft Word? In order to convert table to text in Microsoft Word, just follow all the steps one by one. First, you need to select the complete table. To select it, you need to click on this small box and then all the table will be selected at once. Now now click on Layout tab at top right corner of the screen. You will find two layout tabs. Simply click on the last one, and on this layout tab you need to select convert to text at the top right corner of the screen, and a menu box will appear where you have to select the desired separator for your text. You can separate text with paragraph marks, tabs, commas, and you can also tap on order and select as per your wish. So let's select paragraph marks and then click on OK. As you can see that our table has been successfully converted to text in Microsoft Word. In this way, you can also convert table to text in Microsoft Word. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then hit the like button, share and comment below. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips.